awesomes! Let's learn with Eero about the sound and v. When letter T and H come together, they either make the sound or v. Try this activity. Touch your throat with your fingers and say it's voiceless. There is no buzz in your throat. We also call it the polite sound. Then say it's voiced. You will feel a little buzz in your throat. We also call it the impolite or the rude sound. Let's learn some words that have the sound theater. The children are attending the talent show at the theater. Bath. The dog is taking a bath. Throw. The boy is throwing the ball. Think. The boy is thinking of the answers. Now let's learn some words that have the sound v. Mother. The mother and her daughter cuddle. Feather. The peacock has colorful feathers. This is a pencil. And now it's time to blend and read. Moth. Three. This. That. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.